Now we'll be unboxing the Anker for iPhone 16 Pro Screen Protector. Slide off the bottom. Then you can either open it from this compartment or from the bottom compartment. So open the top here. We have some instructions, but the instructions start by moving this to the top first. Then we have the user guide and the package. We wet wipes, cleaning cloth, dust removal sticker. You're gonna place the phone in here, so that will be step one, the clean phone with the screen facing up, and that will be the first step. Second step would place the pull tab and film over the phone, which is this. We're gonna place it down over the phone. Next step is to slide your fingers along the indicated to make sure that the film is positioned correctly. You're gonna close this, hold this down, and you're gonna pull the sticker all the way out. It's gonna be a long sticker. Then once that's finished, you're gonna pull off this blue sticker here after everything's finished. And then your phone should be ready.